Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn phonics, random sounds and actions. Snake slithering make an action with a finger. This is sound snake. Let's do the action together. Fingers is scampering of one arm like an insect, an ants. Let's do the action together. Move your wrist as if turning on a tap from the door. Turning on the taps. Good job. Mime holding a pencil and scribbling. Put your pencil in the pot. Let's do the action together. Pretend to be cold, sharing and rubbing arms. Is he in the igloo? Soap arms pretend to use a net to catch a butterfly and get in the net. Hold hand up as if they are paws and wriggle your nose. He's munching my cheese. Let's do the action together. Duck. Use one hand to mimic a duck's beak, quacking. Out of luck, duck. Let's do the action together. Duck. Good job. Good. Mine strumming an air guitar. Get your guitar. Let's do the action together. Go. Repeat after me. Oh. High thumbs and put hands together. Then sue. Oh no, it's an orange octopus. Pretend to be a cat holding a paws and grooming. Can I cuddle your cat? Good job. Mime turning a key in a lock. Keep the key in the lock. Well done. Now the sound will be point to feet. There is a rock in my sock. Mostly this come into the end. Well done, guys. Tuck your arms into your armpits like wings and flap your elbows like a chicken. Good job. Up. With one hand point straight up. Step under my umbrella. Up. Amazing, good job. Hold the fingers to make bunny ears. Run, rabbit, run. Well done, guys. on a head. Heads on heads. Ha. 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 But pretend to be using the bat to bat away a ball. Bat that bouncy ball. But well done, guys. Good job. Straighten your hands and wiggle it to mimic a fish swimming through water. Faster, fish, faster. When two together we say the sound. Pretend to hold a flower and sniff it. Have a sniff, what a fifth. He. Pretend to be a lumberjack chopping down a tree. There is a frog on that log. He. Good job, guys. He. Use an up and down motion with hands as if ringing a bell. Well, what a lovely bell. He. Wave both hands gently side to side. Pass through the grass. Wow, you are doing it great. Well done. Jet. Hold arms out straight for jet wings. Jump into the jet and just go. Jip. Pretend to hold the steering wheel and make a revving sound. Rev the Van Wyck. Good job. Make a waving motion with your hands. Way bad that. Good job. Pretend to open a box, lift the flaps. Is there a fox in this box? Well done, the box is opened. Yip. Move one hand up and down as if holding a yo-yo. This is my yellow yo-yo. Yip. Zzz. Make a zigzag motion with one finger. Zippy zebra zigzags. When two Z's together we say zzz. Use one finger to trace the path of a bee flying. Buzz off, bee. Zzz. 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 Hey. The bee's coming. Quack. A quick courtesy. Quick, it's the queen. Quack. Well done, guys. You followed all the actions. Keep learning, keep growing. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.